In today's video, we're looking at 20 spy gadgets and discrete tech devices that combine clever design with surprising functionality. Some help monitor property, some improve awareness, and others pack powerful technology into surprisingly small devices. Let's get started. First on the list is the Sopful Bluetooth speaker camera, a product that combines a wireless speaker design with a rotating surveillance lens. It supports up to 1080p video and connects over both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, allowing remote viewing from a phone or tablet through a companion app. One standout feature is the lens rotation control, which allows a wider viewing angle without drawing attention to the camera itself. Motion detection adds another layer of functionality by sending alerts and automatically capturing images when movement is detected. It also supports loop recording and can be shared with multiple viewers through the app. This type of device is best suited for indoor property monitoring where discrete placement and broad room coverage matter. Next up are the Nova H1 earrings, one of the most unusual audio gadgets on the list. These earrings are designed to look like high-end pearl jewelry while functioning as wireless Bluetooth earphones. Their biggest highlight is directional sound technology, which sends audio toward the wearer's ears while minimizing sound leakage to people nearby. That makes them especially interesting for users who want discreet listening without carrying traditional earbuds. Each piece weighs around 7 grams. So they stay lightweight enough for daily wear, and the elegant gold or silver-plated finish helps them blend in as fashion accessories. This gadget is ideal for users who want hidden in plain sight audio convenience, especially for calls, media playback, and stylish everyday use. Moving on, the FLIR ONE Pro is easily one of the most professional-grade gadgets in this lineup. Rather than hiding a camera in a household object, this device turns a compatible smartphone into a thermal imaging tool. It plugs directly into the phone's charging port and uses a 160 by 120 native infrared sensor, enhanced to 480 by 360 through FLIR's super resolution technology. MSX image enhancement overlays visible details onto the thermal image for better clarity in real-world inspection work. It can detect heat leaks, moisture problems, overheating equipment, and other temperature-related issues, making it useful for home inspections, automotive troubleshooting, and maintenance work. For viewers interested in surveillance-style tech with real utility, this is one of the most practical and feature-rich devices here. Another interesting gadget is the wicker tissue box camera, designed to blend into indoor environments while covering a room from a higher angle. This unit records at 1280 by 720 resolution at 30 frames per second and includes Wi-Fi connectivity for live viewing and playback through mobile devices. It also features motion detection, mobile alerts, record scheduling, and auto-recycle recording for continuous use. The built-in battery is rated to run for up to 60 days per charge depending on activity, which is impressive for a device designed for long-term placement. A 32 GB micro SD card is included, with support for larger cards as well. For property monitoring in living rooms, offices, or shared spaces, this gadget stands out because it combines long battery life with a very ordinary household appearance. Next up is the hidden camera charger, a gadget designed to look like a normal wall charger while adding local video recording capabilities. It supports up to 4K recording, includes a 160-degree wide-angle lens, and offers night vision through invisible infrared lighting. Unlike app-based smart cameras, this model does not rely on Wi-Fi or remote viewing, which keeps operations simpler and more focused on onboard recording. It supports large-capacity micro SD cards up to 512 GB and can store long periods of footage depending on the recording mode used. Since it also works as an actual charger, it fits naturally into many indoor environments without standing out. This kind of device is mainly suited for users looking for basic local monitoring in a compact plug-and-play format. Moving on to something more portable, the hidden camera bottle is designed to resemble an ordinary water bottle while containing a compact video camera inside. It records in full HD and uses motion detection, so recording starts only when movement is detected, helping save storage and battery life. This model includes built-in 64 GB storage and supports loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when memory fills up. Its biggest selling point is portability, since the familiar bottle shape makes it easy to carry or place naturally in different indoor settings. For buyers interested in disguised gadget design, this product is more about stealthy appearance and convenience than advanced app features. It fits those who value simple standalone recording in an object that does not immediately attract attention. One of the most practical non-electronic gadgets on the list is the hidden pocket travel belt. Instead of cameras or recording features, this belt is designed to keep emergency cash and important small documents concealed inside a zippered compartment. Made from nylon webbing with a plastic buckle, it is lightweight, adjustable, and built for airport-friendly travel. A major advantage is that bills can usually be stored with only a single fold, making access easier than with narrower security belts. This is best suited for travelers who want a discreet way to carry backup cash without using a separate pouch or wallet. In a spy-inspired gadget video, it fits as a simple but smart concealment tool that focuses on anti-theft convenience instead of technology. Another impressive device is the 2K power bank camera, which combines a 10,000 mAh portable charger with a built-in security camera. It records at 2560 by 1440 resolution, includes night vision, supports motion-triggered recording, and comes with a 64 GB SD card for local storage. One standout feature is the gravity sensor that automatically flips the recorded orientation when the device is rotated, keeping footage upright without manual editing. Battery life is another strong point, with over 30 hours of continuous operation possible depending on settings. Because it functions as a real power bank, it adds everyday usefulness beyond recording. For users who like disguised multifunction gadgets, this one stands out for blending long battery life, portable charging, and decent image quality in a compact form. Next up is the mini necklace-style voice recorder, a lightweight recording gadget built for lectures, meetings, interviews, and note capture. It features 8 GB of storage, support for WAV recording, and a rechargeable battery that can deliver long recording sessions on a single charge. The recorder uses DSP and AGC noise reduction technology to improve clarity, which helps in noisy environments where voices may otherwise sound distant or muddy. A one-button control system keeps operation simple, while the zinc alloy body adds durability despite the small size. It also includes a Type-C interface for faster data transfer and comes with earphones for playback. This is a good fit for users who want an easy, pocket-friendly audio recorder for legal and consent-based documentation. The smoke detector camera is another classic disguised gadget, styled to resemble a common ceiling-mounted safety device while housing a 1080p Wi-Fi camera inside. It supports motion detection and wireless monitoring for indoor use, making it suitable for room observation in locations where a traditional camera might be visually intrusive. Since smoke detectors are already common in homes and offices, the disguise works by blending into familiar surroundings rather than standing out. The strongest appeal here is coverage from an elevated viewpoint, which often gives a wider room angle than tabletop devices. For buyers interested in discreet home tech, this type of gadget is all about camouflage, basic HD monitoring, and app-connected convenience in a form factor people rarely question. One of the smartest anti-theft gadgets in the lineup is the AirBell Bicycle Bell. At first glance, it looks like a normal bike bell, but inside it includes a hidden holder for an Apple AirTag. That means the bike can be tracked through Apple's Find My network without using an obvious external tracker mount. The bell itself is built from reinforced plastic, produces an 85 decibel sound, and is designed for standard 22.2mm handlebars. Installation is simple, and the included tool makes setup easier for most riders. What makes this gadget stand out is how naturally it hides a tracker in a part of the bike that already belongs there. It is ideal for cyclists who want discreet anti-theft protection without altering the look of the bike. Moving on, the 64GB magnetic mini voice recorder is built around portability, simplicity, and long standby convenience. It weighs only around 17 to 19 grams and is compact enough to fit easily into a pocket, pouch, or small compartment. The built-in magnet allows it to attach to metal surfaces, adding placement flexibility in offices, vehicles, or workspaces. It uses one-touch recording for easy operation and includes noise reduction to improve captured audio quality. It also doubles as an MP3 player and USB storage device, which adds extra value for users who want a multifunction pocket gadget. This recorder is best for consent-based note capture, lectures, interviews, or reminders where a tiny size and quick access matter most. Another fun but functional item here is the Rearview mirror sunglasses. These glasses look like novelty shades, but the reflective lens design allows the wearer to see what is happening behind them while still looking forward. That unusual feature can be useful for walking, biking, or simply staying aware of surroundings without turning around constantly. The design is lightweight and easy to wear, and the gadget has a playful, almost retro spy movie feel that makes it stand out from more serious gear. While it is not a high-tech electronic product, it still fits the spy gadget theme because of the hidden visual trick built into the lenses. This is best for casual users who want awareness, novelty, and conversation-starting design in one item. The hidden picture frame camera takes a more home decor approach to discrete monitoring. Built into a standard-looking photo frame, it supports 1080p Wi-Fi video, PIR motion detection, night vision, offline recording, and remote live viewing. One of the biggest highlights is the claimed long standby design paired with a 10,000 mAh battery, which can make it suitable for extended indoor placement. The 120-degree field of view also helps it cover a room more effectively than narrower lens models. Because picture frames naturally sit on desks, shelves, and side tables, this gadget is designed to blend into home or office environments with minimal visual disruption. For viewers interested in disguised indoor cameras, this one offers a familiar design combined with remote access and motion-triggered recording. Next up is the Coomax Mini Hidden Earphone, a compact wireless earpiece designed for discreet communication. It supports phone calls, FM radio, MP3 playback, and can connect to smartphones and other devices through a 3.5mm audio setup, though some modern phones may require an adapter. Its biggest advantage is low visibility, since the earpiece is designed to stay hidden in the ear when it is inconvenient to use regular headphones. The included microphone with one-button control also makes it more practical for calls and basic media control. This product is best suited for users looking for subtle audio delivery rather than high-end music performance. In a spy gadget roundup, it stands out because it focuses on covert-style communication in a very small package. One of the more feature-packed audio gadgets on the list is the 64GB ZipSide digital voice recorder. It combines AI-assisted noise reduction, voice-activated recording, headphone playback, and time-stamped file management into a compact device aimed at meetings, lectures, interviews, and work notes. Storage is a major plus, with room for hundreds of hours of recordings depending on settings, and the rechargeable battery supports long sessions before needing a charge. It also includes expandable memory, playback controls, and a wired headphone connection for listening directly on the device. The one-click recording system keeps operation simple, which is important for fast use in professional settings. For users who want an affordable, all-around recorder, this model offers a strong balance of storage, features, and easy usability. Another disguised indoor device is the fake air purifier camera from SCS Enterprises. This gadget hides a Wi-Fi camera inside a household-style appliance shell, while offering remote viewing, motion-triggered recording, push notifications, and internal memory storage. It uses a low-light sensor and IR sensitivity to improve visibility in dim environments, and it can operate continuously through direct power instead of relying on short battery life. Compatibility with common software and viewing options also adds flexibility for users who want a more integrated monitoring setup. What makes this product interesting is that it targets long-term indoor placement while blending into spaces where small appliances already exist. For a spy-inspired gadget video, it delivers the disguised look people expect, paired with more serious continuous use monitoring features. Moving on to counter-surveillance gear, the portable noise generator is designed to protect private conversations from eavesdropping or unauthorized audio recording. Rather than capturing sound, it masks speech using specially generated noise intended to make recordings harder to understand. The device is compact enough for home, office, or travel use, and it runs on a 9V battery for portability. One of its key advantages is simplicity. It can be placed on a table between people during a conversation and works passively in the background without requiring technical setup. This makes it especially relevant for business users, travelers, or anyone discussing sensitive information in public or semi-public places. Among spy-themed products, this stands out because it is focused on privacy defense instead of surveillance. One of the most advanced gadgets in the lineup is the GPS drone with 4K camera. This foldable quadcopter includes a 4K UHD camera, 120-degree wide-angle view, 90-degree adjustable lens, GPS positioning, follow me mode, auto return, and brushless motors for improved efficiency and stability. It comes with 2 batteries for up to 45 minutes of total flight time and remains under 249 grams, which improves portability and lowers entry barriers in some regions. The remote control display adds useful real-time information such as battery, speed, and distance. While this is more of an aerial tech tool than a traditional spy gadget, it fits the theme through its camera capabilities and remote viewing perspective. It is ideal for beginners who want a feature-rich, travel-friendly drone. The Mini Car Tracker, a compact tracking device designed to work with Apple's Find My network. It does not require a SIM card, subscription, or monthly fee, which makes it especially appealing for budget-conscious users. The tracker supports real-time locating through iOS devices, includes an alarm function through the app, and can send left-behind reminders when the connection is lost. Powered by a replaceable CR2032 battery, it can last for over a year before needing replacement. Its biggest strength is convenience, since setup is straightforward and the device can be hidden in vehicles, bags, or other belongings without much effort. For anti-theft tracking and item recovery, this is one of the most practical and accessible gadgets in the entire list.